Isang team tayo!
I'm going to be teaching you a song that you have to sing with us.
Down, 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 ba-dum, down, 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 ba-dum, down, 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 ba-dum, down.
All right. Ding Dong is going to leave us. Everyone say bye, Ding Dong.
Bye, Ding Dong.
So what's gonna happen is we're gonna be getting words from you, and then we are going to be giving clues to Ding Dong in the form of rhyming couplets. So we will be going off mic para hindi tayo marinig ni Ding Dong. Our first word is relleno. We're gonna get another, please. And ladies and gentlemen, the fourth word we're gonna use is birthday. Kasi birthday ni Ding Dong, September 11. He does not know that we are going to use this word. And at the end, we will surprise him with cake. Okay ba? Kakanta kayo. Kakanta kayo. And let's welcome Ding Dong with the song.
Ba-dum, down, 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 ba-dum, down, 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 ba-dum, down, 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 ba-dum, down.
Ay,
Ba-dum, down,
Bangus nga ba ito?
ba-dum, down,
Ba't nilagyan ng pasas ito?
ba-dum, down,
Agang bangos may pasas ito.
ba-dum, down.
Malamang ito ay relleno.
Naunahan again.
Oh, ang bilis.
Kung you don't, again. If you don't declare property,
Ba-dum, down,
it's going to be a catastrophe.
ba-dum, down,
Oh. Oh.
ba-dum, down,
You use it in words you see.
ba-dum,
For
down,
example, the family.
ba-dum, down,
Yes!
ba-dum, down,
It's gonna be a catastrophe
ba-dum, down,
when you don't use your punctuations properly.
ba-dum, down,
you use it for property, you see?
down.
It's like a comma, but up there.
ba-dum, down,
It's like a comma, but it's up there, you see?
ba-dum, down.
That's what you call apostrophe.
Oh my goodness!
Sa banyo, wag makulit. Pag wala ka nito, mababasa ang iyong...
Pag wala ito sa banyo na makulit, kailangan kasi meron akong bidit.
Fairness!
Ay!
Noong araw kapag ikay makulit, ito ay sinasabi sa'yo, take your set.
Pag sa front row ng classroom malupit, usually dito nakaupo ang teacher's pet.
Pag wala ka nito, mangangawit. Mapapasabi ka ng shit.
Sabi ng teacher, go back to your seat. And then your butt, it will catch it.
Ang toge sa lumpia nakalagay. Sabi ng teacher, take your seat.
Ano? Okay, okay. We believe you. We believe you.
Tagalog word ito na malupit. It's another word for your seat.
Tagalog naman pala kasi English ko yung English. Ang Tagalog ng chair ay salumpawet.
In
September, it's a special day.
Ba-dum-dum.
For for someone who is very gay.
Very.
In September, it's a special day. Yes! Just a few days ago, it was my birthday.
Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Everybody, let's greet birthday!
Birthday! Birthday! Birthday!
3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday, Ding Dong!
Applause for Ding Dong! Picture!
Nasaan? Sino magka-camera?
Yung camera.
Camera.
Ang daming camera, oh. Dami nila, oh.
Ay, 700.
Na-surprise ka ba?
In a way.
In a